Good day, could you please introduce yourself?
Hello, good day to ma'am and sir. I am Jessica Dumalanta. I am 34 years old, live at Caloocan City. I am high school graduate. I am married. I have one son. I have two brothers and one sister. Their ages of brother are 29 and 27 years old, and my sister is 33 years old.
Okay, tell me about your working experience as a domestic helper.
I work as a domestic helper in the Philippines and other country in last 2022 and year 2023.
Okay, how many helpers in the house?
Only me.
Did you renew your contract?
No, because I want to experience a domestic helper in the other country.
What will you do in the house to start from the morning?
First, ma'am, I will fix myself to prepare food my employer. After I clean the house and the windows and walls, washing clothes, ironing, and sometimes I wash the car of my employer.
Why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
To earn give money to support my family needs and to prove that I can good household work in abroad.
How can you manage your homesick?
Homesick is normal, but I will make sure I control my homesick.
Okay, tell me about your experience in taking care of newly born baby.
In my previous employer, my personal experience, I'm the who look at the baby. I'm feeding, changing clothes, changing diaper, and prepare vitamins, and sterilize bottle.
What will you do if the baby has a fever?
First, I will check the temperature and then I will tell them to the employer to inform what happened to the baby.
Do you have experience of taking care of elderly?
Yes. I treat the elderly like my own parents and I will follow the orders and always give respect every time I talk to them.
Can you promise not to break your 2 years contract, and how could you manage it?
Yes, I promise not to break my 2 years contract. I can manage by show positive attitude to my employer. I promise to finish whatever commitment signed with them.
Can you sing a song like nursery rhymes?
Yes. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are.
Okay. Tell me about your cooking experience.
Simple meals like Filipino foods like steamed fish, fried fish, bihon, and noodles, but I'm willing to learn how to cook any kind dishes to serve my employer.
Okay, tell me what time do you sleep at night and what do you do before sleeping?
I sleep at night as long as I finish the house duties, and before sleeping, I'll make sure that all doors and windows proper lock and off.
Give me any messages for your future employer.
Hi ma'am and sir, I'm Jessica Dumalanta. Please choose me as your domestic helper. Promise to be a hardworking, patient, trustworthy person. God bless.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you and have a nice day.